Making any woman think about you non-stop is one of the easiest things you can do. But before you can do that, you must first of all understand these 5 strategies. Now, what are these 5 strategies? The first one is you must be mysterious enough to make her wonder about you. If you met this girl recently, don't tell her everything about you. Don't be an open book. That is the mistake that most guys make. You went out on a first date with a girl and you've already told this girl everything about you. Your job, your family history, how your businesses failed, how this and that happened to you. You've basically told this girl everything, including the ones she was meant to find out on her own. You've told her everything, all in the name of trying to hold conversations with her. This is where most men shoot themselves on the leg. The more you tell a woman about you, the more boring she becomes. The less interested she is in you because there's nothing to find out about you. There's nothing intriguing about you. On a first date, your job is to make that woman to talk. When you are meeting a woman for the first time, your job is to try as much as possible to make that woman to reveal everything about herself to you so that you can use all those information to your advantage. Not you revealing everything about yourself to her. She will get bored. She'll be like, this guy talks a lot. I know too much about this guy. And most likely in the process of talking a lot about yourself, you will end up revealing those sides of you that women don't even find attractive. And you end up losing these women. But when you talk less, when you say less, these women will be intrigued. They will be more interested in you because you'll be like a mystery box that they want to solve. And women love puzzles. Women love to solve puzzles. So they will go to social media to try to know more about you. They will ask questions. And in that process, they are thinking about you. You've basically created an image about yourself in their head. And they will want to know more about you. They will be hungry to know more about you. So don't be an open book. Else, you end up making these girls to not find you attractive. And you end up losing them. The next one is you must learn to use absence to your own advantage. If you really want women to value you more, to value you a lot, to always be interested when you give them attention, you must make your attention to be scarce at times. When she texts you, take hours to reply. And when you reply, tell her you are busy. When she calls you, don't pick the call. Call back later. You must learn to strategically make yourself absent. Because the truth is, some people might be like, oh, that's me playing too much games. I don't want to play too much games. I don't have time for that. But the truth is, women don't think that way. Women don't reason that way. If you are always available to a girl, that girl will stop liking you. This is how women function. I bet you, if you are always available to that your girlfriend, to that girl that you like, she will stop liking you. This is what you cannot change about women. The more you give to them, the less they value you. The more time, attention you give to them, the less they value you. So you must learn to use absence to basically stick yourself into their head. Because when you call her, when she calls you and you don't pick, in her mind she'll be like, what's this guy doing? When she texts you and you don't immediately reply, in her mind she'll be like, what's this guy doing? Is he with another woman? Was he up to? All those things. In that process, a woman will become used to always thinking about you. This is how you do it with her. Then the third one is you must create unique experiences with her. This is why I told you guys in the first place that you must try as much as possible to get as much information from that girl about herself and not you giving her information about you. Now, when you know that a girl has not traveled to these places, has not experienced this, probably she has not been to this bar, she has not been to this restaurant before, she has not been to the beach before, you use all those information to create those unique experiences that will make her always think about you. For example, a girl told you she has not been to the beach before. What do you do? If you like the girl and the girl deserves it, because I always hammer on deserving it before you spend your money on a woman, she must deserve it. Now, what you do is you take her to the beach. Do you think that girl will ever stop thinking about that experience? At least throughout that month, throughout that year, she won't stop thinking about that experience she had with you because you took her to somewhere she has not been to before. That woman will always be thinking about you. And in that process, she will end up liking you even more. The next one is you must not be quick to propose a relationship. This is where most guys get it wrong. That you like a girl, that you find a girl attractive, does not mean you have to rush and tell her, babe, be my girlfriend. No, that is not how to do it. See, you guys have to understand female nature. Women don't like it when men are making themselves too available to them. Oh, come and be my girlfriend. In their mind, they'll be like, probably this guy is not used to having a beautiful girl around him. Probably this guy has been single for so long because no woman wants him. No, you don't want a woman to start thinking those things about you. You must make her to wonder. You like a girl and you're not sure that this girl likes you. Delay that relationship. She will end up sinking deeper in her likeness and attraction for you because women love it when they cannot get what they want. Once a woman likes you and she is finding it difficult to make you to belong to her, in that process, she will end up sinking deeper in her attraction for you, in her likeness for you. And you must play this game to the best of your ability. The reason why I said you should not quickly propose a relationship to that woman is she'll begin to wonder, does this guy have other girls that also want to date him? Is that why he's delaying proposing to me? And because she's now feeling that, she's now seeing an imaginative competition. She's now imagining that there are other girls who are also competing to be your girlfriend. That will make her to work harder. That will make her to do better, to please you. This is how you win with women. You don't win with women by just seeing a girl you like her and immediately you want to make her to be your girlfriend. The girl will see you as too cheap, and that will make her not even like say anything special about you. But when a woman is working hard to be your girlfriend, to fight off these other women and be the number one chick in your life, that comes with a whole lot of thinking. She will always be thinking about you when you're not with her. Even when you're with her, she'll still be thinking about you. The fifth one is you must dig her well. Yeah, this is the truth, whether you guys like it or not. You must dig her well. You guys should know what I mean by digging her well. You must make a woman to reach ecstasy, maximum premium ecstasy. And when you give it to her the way that, like, it pleases her, it gets to her brain. You know, there's how you give it to a woman to get to her brain. Nah. That woman can't stop thinking about you. She will always think about you. And when she thinks about you, her mind will go to the last time you dug her well. And of course, if this becomes a cycle, that woman will become uncontrollably attracted and obsessed with you. This is how you achieve this. Facts.